Hi, my name is Joshua and I am the developer and one of the team members for the EarnDot project. Now, as you may or may not know, this project was previously owned by another developer who now no longer has the time or commitments to continue the project. So he has handed it over to the community, which I am a part of. So EarnDot, what is it? EarnDot is a project that is designed to reward the holders with Polkadot. I've been a fan of Polkadot for some time now, and I love the work and technology that they are implementing. So how does it all work? EarnDot is an avenue designed to reward its holders with Polkadot. Basically, the more EarnDot you hold, the more Polkadot you receive. The minimum amount you would have to hold would be 200,000 EarnDot to be qualified to receive Polkadot. However, I hope that you would buy more as prices right now are still quite low. So what are we doing to make EarnDot better? We've currently been focusing on growing the community. We've also been looking at marketing and promotion options that are available. Social media platforms are something that we've been working on as well as a contest that is now coming up on Twitter in a few days. So if you do want to be a part of that, make sure you like, comment, retweet, and you could have the chance to actually win what it is that we have to offer. We have also been in conversation with a reputable company that will be doing our auditing, and I believe that this will be concluded very soon. As our website shows, EarnDot is not just a reward token. We're currently looking at adding utilities. On top of that, we aim to stay in close communication with our community to find out what they would like to see this token become. Safety comes first with our community, and we want to make sure that every question and the voices of our community are heard. So for those who are new to cryptocurrencies that don't really know about how to buy the token or how the process works, what we have done is that on our Telegram, we've actually created a step-by-step guide to take you through how to buy the coin so that you can begin to earn Polkadot. Once again, thanks for watching. Please make sure you stay subscribed so you can receive the latest information on the EarnDot token. Also, stay connected on our social media platform, on our Twitter, so you can stay updated with the contests that we have coming up.